So the four that I am choosing to all collaborate with me are the following.
Oh my gosh,
Thank you so much.
If at first you don't succeed and you fall down to your knees, so you gotta pick yourself back up and try again.
이제 출국 이틀 전이고요.
Okay, waiting till the last minute to pack is always the best option. Look at this. Aww.
Can you see me?
I'm so excited!
Guess we just landed in LA. Here's the star. I'm filming you. Hollywood, and you know, doing the touristy thing. Excited! Oh my god, it really feels.
If at first you don't succeed and you fall down to your knees, so you gotta pick yourself back up and try again. If you don't go like it should, just remember life is good. You gotta pick yourself back up and try again.
Hello. Why are we here right now? We are here to meet all the artists who I collaborated on the LG Life's Good song. I'm very, very excited to meet them. We've been communicating over the internet. Oh, hello. What's happening?
Oh no, I love your outfit.
Are we allowed to shake hands?
Elbow or?
I'm Charlie.
Yeah.
Puth.
So nice to meet
I'm
you in
Charlie.
person.
Very looking flowery today.
Nice to meet you.
Hello. I'm Charlie. Hi, Sade. I already know you.
Mama said,
What?
don't give up. You have
Yeah.
already
Yay.
come so
Nice to meet you.
far.
I know. I'm really excited. Let's go record.
Come from who you can be and who you are. If at first you don't succeed and you fall
Here we go, y'all. Tuck back, please.
again. If it don't go like it should, just remember life is good and you gotta pick yourself back up and try again.
Anything to say to Charlie, I just want to say thank you first because it was so fun just being able to play. Honestly, I wanted to jam on some.
I wouldn't have met three amazing girls and had an amazing experience that I'll never forget.
드디어 찰리를 만나게 됩니다. 좋은 시간 가지고 가는 것 같아서 너무 즐거웠어요. I will always remember this and the people that were involved, so yeah, it was amazing.
And life is good.
Life is good.